Want to know the best reasons to shop at Beaner Audi of Great Neck? Just ask their customers. They'll tell you the many reasons why Beaner Audi has been New York's #1 Audi dealer for 11 consecutive years.
Presenting the 2008 Audi A4. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission. This vehicle comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase.
And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle.
Power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Stability control. Call today to schedule a test drive.
At Beaner Audi, we're committed to making you our #1 customer. Stop in and see for yourself.
Beaner Audi of Great Neck. Clearly a step above.